guys, welcome back to our channel. Now in today's episode I'm going to be showing us how to use the Morph feature like this in your presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint. Now without taking much of your time, let's dive in.
First thing you need to do is go to Insert. For the purpose of this video, we'll go to Shape. For the purpose of this video, we'll be making use of the circle or oval shape. Okay, we drag to the exact shape that you want. And then come to Shape Fill, pick a solid color. Come to Shape Outline, click on No Outline. Come to Shape Effects, go to Shadows. Under Shadows, use the Offset Right, and then duplicate it using Ctrl D. As you can see, now go to Insert, go to Text Box, add text box. Just fill in the content section. This to like this. Use this to drag to the direction you want it to face. Face the side. Come here also. Add text box. Now we have to change this color to make it more aesthetically pleasing. Now click on each of the shape. Go to shape view. Go to let me use next thing is to highlight on this and duplicate it. We need to duplicate this. Duplicate the slide, as you can see. Now come back to this place. Now come back to the first slide. Highlight on it. Highlight on it. Then go to shape format. Under shape format, go to align. First, we need to group this. And then move to the left. And come back and ungroup it. And then move align to the left. As you can see. And then come here to the second slide. Go to transitions. Click on Morph. And click on preview. As you can see. Easy peasy.
And there you have it. Easy, right? To enjoy more tips like this, kindly like, share, and subscribe. See you in our next video next time. Bye.